Hey there, if you're looking to secure the Mail app on your iPhone with Face ID in iOS 18, you'll notice that the latest iOS version has a direct built-in option to lock individual apps like Mail. So let's walk through the steps together to lock the Mail app on your iPhone. Here's how you can do it. Before we start, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18 or later. After that, follow these steps. Step 1. Set up Face ID on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down the menu. Tap on Face ID and passcode. Now enter your passcode. Make sure to set up your Face ID or Touch ID, whichever is available on your device. Step 2. Lock the Mail app with Face ID on iPhone. Come back to your home screen, find the Mail app on your device, tap and hold the Mail app icon until a menu appears. Next, tap on Require Face ID. After that, tap Require Face ID again. This time, your iPhone will scan your face to lock the Mail app with Face ID. Now your Mail app is securely locked. And that's it. This is how you can lock your Mail app on your iPhone with iOS 18 or later. If you have any questions or need further assistance, just let me know in the comments section. Thanks for tuning in.